live in Maine and we have no snow. But you know what I do have? A snowsuit. Let's put it on. Ding! Ta-da! It's on! Alright, that didn't work. Let me try again. Over here. Ding! Oh my god, it's on! It's giving... What are they called? In Star Wars, where they're wearing this? Stormtrooper! Okay. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. This is so fabulous. Skinny. The abominable snowman hoop. Stormtrooper hoop. Okay, Yeti. Okay, Yeti. Let's get it. Let's get it. On a real note, don't wear this skiing because if you crash, you'll get lost forever.